Guys, naulanan na po ang aming lutuan guys. Napakahirap ng buhay guys. Naluto kami ng gulay guys. Ira kalabasa guys. Manunggay. Kaso lang naulanan guys. Naulan na tulo yung lutuan namin guys. So nasalod ko lang ng balde guys. Naulan po dito guys. Oh guys, naulan po dito guys. Naulan guys. Naulan guys oh. Oh guys, naulan guys. Oh guys. Oh guys. Naulan guys oh. Oh. Tingnan mo guys oh. Ulan guys. Ulan po guys. Tuluan ng bubong namin tulugan guys. Oh. Ulan guys. Ulan mo guys.
Kasi gado mo bibi wala.